bag? Not even white, not even Valentino bag. Is Wakanda a valid spice rating? Damn, Nando's, your bobbies. Who is Sandy and why is her brain energy on fire?
She is the skinniest and the cheekiest. Okay.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we're doing a Nando's mukbang. And we're on Sandy, your brain energy.
Nando's, not even white, not even Valentino.
Is Nando's gonna stop our bag finally?
I really hope not.
Obtain the Nando's. Maybe we're all brain dead a little. Hello? Where's the hello? That's props, sister. Some of y'all about to be real mad at me, but it must be said, some of y'all is fat and ugly and unattractive, but that is okay. Be who you are.
This is where we get hit by a C-class.
If I am killed by some murderer, do not prosecute that murderer.
Stop, I was literally having like post-Turkish stress disorder when that fucking car went up on the sidewalk. Like this car literally...
Turkish stress disorder?
Literally, like you can't go in Istanbul without a fucking Fiat trying to bulldoze you on into like the middle of the road. Like, sure, you're at a protected pedestrian crossing, but
it
that's
doesn't
not
fucking
gonna fucking matter. Literally, like
okay.
never...
We fucking arrived. Cheeky Nando's.
So this has the same energy as us chicken.
We're chicken expressing Tarka to Postmates.
Stop! But like, at least when we do that, we're in a 5 series and not 3.
No, stop. And here they like drive mopeds into oncoming traffic too. Oh my God, in assless jobs. What do you have to say for yourself?
On God. Mini minis 1 through 5.
I feel like at least some people in Cincinnati have like seen a pepper before.
Yeah, but they put chili on their spaghetti. They don't have rights.
They what?
They put chili on spaghetti. Will made me eat it.
They should be fucking deported. Literally, Britain made skinny rights.
Literally, like, it's so much cheaper to just live off of saccharin here.
Okay.
So, we secured the bag.
We secured the bags. And I got wing roulette.
So, they have this thing called wing roulette, and you get 10 random ass wings. You don't know how spicy they're gonna be, so that's the
So it could be anything from like not like literally no spice to
yeah. We should try medium first so we can like
have a gauge kind of.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is it good?
It has the texture of rubber, but I love it.
Okay, this is actually pretty good.
Yeah. It's like mild buffalo equivalent spiciness.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I didn't think it was going to be like crazy spicy because like this is Britain we're talking about.
Should we talk about our time at the British Museum?
Oh, yes. So, you know that Easter Island emoji that Bryce and I keep spamming literally everywhere? Well, we found her real life equivalent.
It was her. Oh, I forgot chips are fries.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
And we also have a side of like peri peri mayonnaise. Okay, that hits.
What did we do? Well, first of all, we were on crack editing a vlog all night last night.
Literally 3 in the morning here.
We did this for our fans, like just to get the video out on time. Like.
Well, why we really did it was because he passed out at 8 p.m. drunk.
It's not my fault.
Says the one who's like, I'm gonna buy Jose Cuervo, and I was like, stop! I'm not Tana Mojo Tyria.
But this, surely this isn't hot. Like it
might be like another one of their spice blends.
Yeah, like the flavor, like the lemon.
Is she on crack? And I was just like,
it's hot Vindaloo.
I know, it's
you're just like
literally
panting like.
Yeah, Yeah. I feel like spice is one of those things that like you have to like train yourself. Like people
Yeah.
don't just come out of the womb like fucking sticking habaneros on their tongue.
My diaphragm is having a stroke right
I
now.
want to try this one.
No?
I can't really taste it. I think I need to cleanse my palate with a peri peri chip. We stopped vaping mango because it just got bad after a while. Not because the government told us we can't.
Literally. They took it off the shelves and we were like, didn't miss that shit anyway.
Literally.
Real bitches only fuck with like mint and cucumber.
Literally anyone above the age of 15 only fucks with like mint and cucumber.
True.
This is like...
Are you mango messy?
Trisha Paytas messy.
Stop.
We were Tanamoto last night, now we've evolved.
Tr-
Tequila doesn't make you cry. Vodka does. As dirty as that Jose Cuervo did me, I'm still traumatized by Lemon D. Betty.
Yeah. Cause like, that shit hits you out of nowhere.
Mhm.
Like, at least with tequila, like you go in with the forethought.
You have to go into tequila already drunk. I also have literal grease stains like going down my cheeks.
Start using, what's it called? Puri taki
Peri peri?
peri peri sauce, like as highlight. It's called mathematics, love. It's called mathematics, love. So anyway, it's the skinniest, messiest vloggers,
Emphasis on the messies.
not just skinniest vloggers.
See, we've got one skinny and one messy.
So like we go into the British Museum. Like first of all, we were playing like line tag with these two guys. Like
Well, yeah, we're always playing Korean tourist Frogger because they're going one way, we're going the other way, and like the lines they should not intersect.
no, literally, and the fucking like every like American tourist here, like except for us, is like walking down the right side of the road, which is a problem because everyone else walks on the left side of the road. You know.
Always wings.
Kind of slap.
I know.
So we went into the British Museum and we go into the fucking golden era, what's it called? The Renaissance? The Enlightenment exhibit. And we were looking through the books and I'm like, what, do they have Hunger Games?
This one, on the other hand, it has the flavor profile of a card that's been sitting in my vape for too long, so I'm gonna give it a burnt score on the spicy scale. It literally tastes like carcinogens.
Stop, just like carbon monoxide from the
Yeah.
parliaments. Like,
Stop with the seasoning. It's the parliament that I flicked off.
stop. It's like me like blowing parliament smoke like into your face at that cafe.
I was rude.
What the fuck did you just fucking say about me, you little bitch?
So he was bullying me for not having the proper smoking technique, all while flicking cigarette ash all over my brand new dress.
But then she takes her fingers and fucking flicks like the burning end out of the cigarette. And
Okay.
it's like,
There was like an inch of fucking ash trail, and I was like,
hello?
then I flick it because it wasn't coming off. So
Yeah.
then I flick it, and then the entire like fucking burning chunk of tobacco that I actually want just like falls onto the floor, and I was like,
I'm fucking done with this. This is why no one fucking smokes 100.
I do, bitch. The only time you want something burning is when you're smoking.
you've never eaten that barbecue chicken before,
Oh, I hate cartilage.
pussy. Some of y'all don't have Turkish parents, and it shows. Yeah, but like you don't want to leave any meat in your bones.
Skinny.
Oh, I don't.
Right. Money's no object to you.
Stop! It's just because of Grandma Skinny's credit card. Can I speak to the manager of this
Yeah.
Chick-fil-A?
Like, my parents don't like Cajun food, so.
Well, they're fucking racist, but okay.
Have you ever
Yeah, but
fried
then, like-
food before in your life? Have you ever done like
But
manual
like, if
labor?
you don't have like a deep fryer.
You can deep fry without a deep fryer.
Well,
Have
then
you
it's
never?
not deep frying, it's just frying.
You've
in a
never-
frying pan, right?
No, you get it. You know those like soup, like stock pans. You fill it with oil, and you fry thing. You've never...
That's fucking disgusting. That's so much oil. Randy's stepping on my back. Because, God bless Randy. Truly. But, he does not like food with flavor.
I mean, his name's Randy. What do you expect? There's only one thing scarier than unseasoned food, and that's the end of Game of Thrones.
And then, of course, we get to the fucking Rosetta Stone, and I'm distracted by like this twink in like a tracksuit, and I was just like, and
We literally
we literally just like walk by, and then we realize like there's this crowd of Korean tourists with like selfie sticks, and we're like, hello.
It's like the actual fucking Rosetta Stone.
So
Like, not that little Duolingo bitch with the Glock. It's the, like, literal Rosetta Stone. And Bryce is, like, busy staring at this Slavic bitch's ass. And I'm just, like, on crack. And I was like,
hello.
ma'am.
And then of course like I have to scream like, holy shit, that's the Rosetta Stone.
And I'm just looking at you like,
What?
and I'm not fighting this mob of Korean tourists with selfie sticks to the front. Like, they've got their fucking batons out. I'm not gonna win here. Like I said in previous statements, I'm not the messy one here. We've got one skinny and one messy. I've done plenty of messy things. This is literally my fucking orientation group chat. Someone's already like, hey, who wants to help me traffic drugs? And I'm like...